Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Gcash transactions history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So before we continue, I have to clarify something. First, Gcash actually does not allow its users to delete their transaction history for security purposes. So now what you can do to work around that is to delete your Gcash account instead of deleting your transactions only because you cannot do that. Now, if you want to know how you can do that, just continue watching this video. So first, just open Gcash app on your device and then just log into your account using your credentials. And after doing so, go to your profile. So it should be situated on the bottom right corner of your screen just like so. And then once you are in here, tap again onto your name or under the arrow on the upper right corner of your screen right here. Once you tap onto it, then you'll be able to access all of your information. Now, once you scroll down from there, then you'll be able to see the little account button situated on the very bottom part of your screen. Tap onto it and hit continue, and then just go through all of the process that you need to do for it to be able to delete your Gcash account. So that's basically it. That is your only workaround if you really want to delete all of your transaction history in Gcash. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thanks.